do this. Come on, ladies. Who goes first?
1,
2,
go.
3.
Ah, you go first. This is your This is your time to shine. This would be funny.
No, this is all heart, no brains. Charles Leclerc.
Hang on, Jay.
Charles Leclerc. Hamilton. I'm going all in, guys. Ferrari.
Charles, Hamilton, and third,
Lando.
JJ.
Ano, you have to
Rock.
rock, paper, scissors.
Ah!
Sige, mabigyan, guys.
Oh, God. Third ko is Max.
Third, Max.
Sorry.
And then,
Charles, second. Sino kayo nanalo last time?
Lando.
Lando.
Second, right?
Oh, so you're Lando, Charles, Max.
Wow.
Lando, Charles. Oh my God, there's no Mercedes. So talagang nagpaniwala tayo sa 2025. Alright, fine.
Hindi, may napanood din ako sa mga commentary na baka mahirapan si, I should have put George. Wait, I'll put George. Ako won't put King. George eh.
Instead of Lando.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's George,
May
Charles,
fire sa kanyang belly after losing that
and
one.
Max.
Yep.
Your turn.
Ikaw. Nahirapan na siya kasi walang Mercedes. Manindigan ka, si Kimi pa rin ang run mo. Joke lang.
Yeah, guys, pag pangatlo kang
Now you know.
no upgrades, any upgrades, whatever.
Aba, may paganyan ka na ngayon?
Charot lang. May ano na. Mas gonna put George, but
Lana.
The rule.
okay, let me start from my second.
Second.
Hamilton.
Oh, pares tayo. Pares tayo ng second.
Oh, third ko is like
So who's your first?
really push it.
Second is Leclerc and
Yeah, I'll put
Pareho
second
tayo.
Leclerc.
Okay.
Third, Hamilton.
Pipilitan niya.
Kimi.
Kimi.
Pipilitan niya si
Okay. So it's
Ay, grabe. Ang ganda ng...
mine is Charles and Louis
Louis
then
and Lando.
Yours is
George,
George, Charles, and Max.
Yan yung heart. I'll put
And
heart
then
on
Kimi, Charles, and Hamilton for JJ. Ay, excited.